Narrator, in the shadows of Africa's grasslands and forests. A silent, scaled predator slithers unseen. It has no venom, no claws. Yet it strikes with power and precision. This is the African rock python, Africa's largest snake, and one of its most mysterious hunters. Capable of swallowing prey larger than itself, this constrictor is a master of stealth, strength, and survival. Join us as we journey into its hidden world. Africa Emoji, Segment 1, Habitat and Reproduction, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Narrator, the African rock python, Python cb, is found across sub-Saharan Africa, from open savannas and rocky outcrops to dense rainforests and wetlands. It prefers habitats near water, rivers, swamps, and lakes offer both food and shelter. During the breeding season, males follow scent trails to locate receptive females. Mating takes place during the dry season. Afterward, the female lays between 20 and 100 eggs in a hidden burrow, termite mound, or cave. When the young hatch after 2 to 3 months, they are about 50 centimeters long and fully independent. Though many won't survive to adulthood, those that do may grow to over 6 meters long and live for more than 20 years. Snake Emoji, Segment 2, Hunting Behavior, 3 o'clock to 5:30. Narrator, the African rock python is a non-venomous constrictor. It kills by ambush, not by poison. It feeds on a wide range of animals, rodents, birds, monkeys, and even antelope. Lying in wait near waterholes or game trails, it strikes with lightning speed, its sharp, backward curving teeth securing the prey. Then comes the constriction, its coils tighten with each breath the victim tries to take. Death is swift through suffocation or cardiac arrest. Incredibly, this snake can swallow prey larger than its own diameter thanks to flexible jaws and stretchy skin. After a large meal, it may not eat again for weeks or even months. Falling Leaf Emoji, Segment 3, Camouflage and Stealth, 5:30 to 7:30. Narrator, it is nearly invisible when still. It uses slow, careful movement, often remaining motionless for hours. Heat-sensing pits along its jaw detect the body heat of nearby animals, an adaptation for hunting in darkness. Even large animals may walk within striking distance, unaware of the danger. A single, explosive strike can end the hunt in seconds. The African rock python is also a skilled swimmer, gliding silently through murky waters, another domain where its stealth and power reign. End Arrow Emoji, Closing, 7:30 to 8:30. Narrator, ancient, silent, and deadly, the African rock python is both feared and misunderstood. It plays a vital role in the ecosystem, controlling populations of rodents and other small mammals. Yet it faces threats from habitat destruction, hunting, and human fear. As we learn more about this magnificent serpent, we must also learn to protect it.